juicy and amazing.
Got caught in a gust and took a flight. All the king's horses and all the king's men tried to catch him as he descended again. Humpty Dumpty tried to skate, slipped on the ice.
Banana! I'm loving it!
All the king's men helped him up and around the bend. Humpty Dumpty climbed a hill, lost his balance and took a spill. All the king's horses and all the king's men came to help him up again. Humpty Dumpty went
Whoa,
to
dragon flute! I like it!
Go round. All the king's horses and all the king's men picked him up with a big grin. Humpty Dumpty learned each time to keep on trying, climb and climb. With every fall he would laugh and play, for he knew he would be okay.
抖音